Hi everyone, this is Jamela over at Viva La Vintage for your home. Thank you again for tuning in for another episode of Living the Lifestyle of the Thrift and Famous. I would love for you to join the Thrift Squad, so go ahead and click that subscribe button and you'll get all the videos and be inspired on how you can decorate your home on a budget. I talk a lot about how I'm not going to make big changes in furniture and things like that, and I still mean it. But I do tend to make small changes around my house. Now, in this corner, when I had my dining room, when I first did the makeover, I loved that majestic peace lily plant. But once I lost it, I've been trying to fill it in with the proper plant that gives me that excitement that I loved about the majestic peace lily. However, I am not lucking out. I started bringing in more of my outdoor plants and moving some of the other plants that I had around in the house to kind of fill in that corner. But it's just starting to look a little too planty, I guess, in that space. But I'm still tweaking at it and trying to make changes in order for me to be pleased with how it's looking in that corner. But also, I'll just say I will keep at it until I find the look that I want. Now, one thing I also noticed in my dining room is when I changed that wall color. It was such a drastic change with even how the art looked on the wall. Now, when I had this Leroy Campbell piece of art hanging over the cabinet here, I actually retired it when I did the room over, thinking, okay, I'm not going to be liking it on the wall or just give myself an eye break from it. Which was fine. I mean, I didn't want to get rid of the art, but I was just going to retire it because I've had it since 1980, roughly around 89. And it's a sign lithograph that I bought when I first started buying art, along with the Alonzo Adams, the Kiss piece that you see hanging here. So in search for something different, I did find some vintage artwork to hang on the wall after I did the room over. And these are pieces that I found at different thrift stores, and I did appreciate them while they were hanging. However, I just felt that it was time to go back to my normal artwork that I hang in here. So for my new look, I just thought I'd pull out my Leroy Campbell. It's called The Right Spot, and hang it. And actually, I love how it looks in the room on the wall, and it looks more elegant here. So choosing the right wall color also accentuates your artwork and your furniture and your style. So don't be afraid to go a little dark in your room. I know I was a bit apprehensive about it, but I can't say it enough how pleased I am with this new color. So not too many more changes, but just wish me luck in finding the perfect plant again for that corner. As spring is coming, I just want to inspire you to simply shop your home for something that you may want to decorate your home with for a new look. There's no need to go and spend a whole lot of money to decorate your home for a quick change. And don't forget how plants can really make a difference. I hope this video has inspired you to go ahead and shop your house and redecorate just a little bit without breaking the bank. If so, go ahead and drop me a comment. Don't forget to like this video and share. And thank you again for tuning in for another episode of Living the Lifestyle of the Thrift and Famous.